Bitcoin sitting at $64,000. What is up, guys? It's TimeForDillon, back at it again with another crypto video. Thank you guys for tuning in. You guys are awesome. If you're new here, make sure you guys subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon so you guys get notified when I post new videos, because this is time-sensitive information, guys. Of course, in today's video, what I want to do is talk about WEYU. So if you guys don't know, I actually made a video about this project a couple weeks ago when it first dropped. But basically, it's an NFT marketplace that's going to be cross-platform. So I'm super bullish on this idea because NFTs are the future. They're exploding right now. If you guys don't know, OpenSea did $10 billion in sales last quarter alone. And it looks like they're gonna beat that this quarter. So I'm super bullish on this concept. Of course, they've had some updates to their roadmap. So price went up massively. But I'm gonna make sure to talk about everything you guys need to know about this project if you're interested. And of course, I have to mention we're doing an NFT giveaway. It's gonna end next week on Monday. So you don't wanna miss out. All the instructions will be down below. And of course, the first thing we have to do, guys, is our market overview. Bitcoin looks like it wants to make an all-time high. So let's head on over to CoinMarketCap and take a look. Alrighty, guys, here we are. We are at CoinMarketCap, and as you can see, the global crypto market cap, it's up today 2.5%. Gotta love it, sitting at $2.52 trillion. Of course, if you're looking on CoinGecko, it might look a little more like $2.6 trillion. So I'm actually not sure where it's actually at. Just depending on which website you're looking at, you know, the global crypto market cap might be a little different. If it actually is at $2.6 trillion, then congratulations, guys. We've made a new all-time high. But I'm going to hold off on celebrating until Bitcoin makes its all-time high, because look at this, guys. We have Bitcoin sitting at $64,000. $800 more dollars, which is peanuts in comparison to the price of Bitcoin. And we're at an all-time high. And as you guys know, every time Bitcoin makes an all-time high, what does it do? It smashes through to the upside and hits like a minimum of 20% higher than its price. So that's what I'm waiting for. So I'm sitting here just watching the price, waiting for it to happen, guys. But of course, Ethereum, Binance, a lot of other cryptos are up. But of course, what I'm expecting is when Bitcoin actually does make that move to the upside, I'm expecting it to pull liquidity out of the altcoins right into Bitcoin. And then of course, what happens? Bitcoin rips. It settles down for a little bit, consolidates. People start buying, people start selling. Of course, we have the sideways trading action, and then what happens? Liquidity dumps into the altcoins. So just hold on tight, guys. We're about to have a beautiful crypto season. I can't wait. But of course, what I want to talk about today, guys, is WEYU. So I made a video about WEYU back when it dropped on August 31st. Of course, if you were able to get in on the 31st, right when it dropped, congratulations, you're at like a 10x right now. I wasn't able to get in exactly at the drop. I had something else to do. It's a long story, but it doesn't matter. I got in at about 3 cents. So I'm happy right now because I'm almost at a 3x. Of course, I'm really bullish on this project, so I'm holding long term. But basically, let me tell you what this project is. It's a cross-platform NFT marketplace that aims to connect all the different blockchains together in one marketplace to make it super easy for users to buy and sell NFTs. So my personal opinion is that NFTs, before they have the blow off top moment, needs to have a much more user-friendly interface, and that's just the bottom line. It's much too difficult for the average everyday user to go get a MetaMask, to go get a Yoroi wallet, you know, install it as a browser extension, get crypto on an exchange, send it from the exchange over to the browser, deal with buying and selling the NFTs. It's just too much work for the average user. And then of course, Ethereum being the main NFT platform with the high gas fees, it's just turning people off. So hopefully WEYU will be able to fix this. Of course, I'm also super bullish on Coinbase's NFT marketplace that they've talked about just recently. However, I'm hoping WEYU is able to pull it off sooner. Of course, I'm super bullish on Coinbase stock. So, of course, nothing on this channel is financial advice. Just keep that in mind. But I'm super bullish on the whole NFT space because people are bullish on it. Doesn't matter what they look like. I think they might look stupid sometimes. Yes, it's true. Don't get me wrong. But the technology is amazing. People like it. There's a huge community. There's a huge demand. So for me, that's enough. I'm in. You know what I mean? But anyway, WEYU has come out with some big updates. They've partnered with one of the biggest YouTubers in Norway to talk about new upcoming content that's going to be rolled out by the WEYU team. So that's a big one. Of course, they have a huge Twitter following. Let's go over to Twitter. Take a look. I think it's something like 70,000 people are on WEYU. So let's look, of course. My internet's running real smooth right now, isn't it? But of course, look at that, 69.3K followers. And you know, they just announced some big time collaborations and some big time updates to their roadmap. So I'm super excited about that. So first, let's look at this, okay? Boom. Are you early stage of pre-launch NFT or metaverse project? If the answer is yes, then WEYU Launch. Our new NFT Launch Pad could be the perfect place for you. So I don't know about you, but an NFT Launch Pad is something people need. The easier it is for people to create NFTs, just with the click of a button, dragging and dropping a picture, clicking go, that's what it needs to be like. So I really like this idea. You know, they're talking about having really good technical support. I'm sure you guys know Coinbase's technical support sucks. Absolutely terrible. But of course, funding, come on, $250,000. It needs to be more like 250 million, to be honest, because I'm sure you guys saw Binance Smart Chain announced they're going to be rolling out $1 billion fund for NFT creators. So as you guys know, this space is super hot. Everyone is competing for market share. But I really like WEYU because it's a cross-platform NFT marketplace. Nobody else is trying to do this right now, and I just don't quite understand it. But as we scroll down and we look at their Launchpad roadmap, as you can see, they have already started accepting applications for new projects. That's awesome. And then on the 8th, of November, they're gonna have the WEYU Pieces NFT drop. So that's gonna be huge. And then of course we have the Launchpad projects announced on the 11th, just 3 days after. And then at the end of the month, first WEYU Launch Project NFT drop. So I'm super excited about what's to come with this project. Of course, if you were able to get WEYU pre-launch white paper or on the day of the launch within 24 hours, and you have not sold a single WEYU or moved a single WEYU out of that wallet, then you need to hold your tokens until the 1st of November because they're going to be airdropping a share of 150 million WEYU tokens to all the users. So I was on the Discord talking to the team, and they were saying they're estimating it to be somewhere around 46% of what you're currently holding. So that's massive. That's a free half of whatever you put in, guys. Don't miss out. Don't screw this up. I know the price, right, which we actually haven't even looked at. What am I thinking, guys? Let's go over here and look at the price, guys. So here we are. We're over at WEYU looking at the price, and as you can see, we're up to 7 cents. A couple seconds ago, it was up to 8 cents, guys. So it's kind of volatile right now. Of course, this is a small cap altcoin, $42 million market cap. But think about the upside potential with that. I always tell people, don't look at the price of the project, look at the market cap. That's the most important aspect, because what it takes to double the price is to double the market cap. So think about it. Bitcoin, $1.2 trillion right now, sitting at $64,000. To get it to $128,000, it's going to take another $1.2 trillion. But for WEYU's price to double, it's only going to take $42 million. That's a big difference, guys. That's like a 1,000,000% difference right there. So just always think about that, guys. Of course, nothing on this channel is financial advice. I'm just giving you guys my particular take on this information. But I just thought I wanted to give you guys an update on WEYU since I made a video about it when it dropped, and the price is up massively. If you would have bought WEYU when I made the video, congratulations, you just doubled your money. So big shout out to you guys, my subscribers and my viewers. I really appreciate all the support. As always, I'll include all the links down in the description. And then of course, guys, NFT giveaway. Go down in the description and just follow those steps. Most of you are already subscribed to my channel, the Hidden Order channel. The only thing that's different this time is we're asking you to subscribe to token.io's channel because they're the ones that are sponsoring this giveaway. Alrighty, guys, that is all I have for you today. If you guys made it this far, you guys are elite. Make sure you guys smash the like button, drop a comment down below, and of course, subscribe to the channel, guys. Don't forget about the NFT giveaway. All the instructions are down below in the description, so don't miss out. Of course, you guys have a beautiful day, beautiful night, wherever you guys are. Dylan is out.